In the annals of scientific discovery, few breakthroughs have been as transformative as the advent of CRISPR gene editing. A monumental leap forward in the realm of genetic engineering, this revolutionary technology was born from the humble origins of a bacterial immune system. In the early 20th century, researchers stumbled upon a peculiar phenomenon in the genetic makeup of a common bacterium, Streptococcus pyogenes. Within its DNA, they found sequences that seemed to serve a unique purpose, a form of immunity against invading viruses. These sequences, known as CRISPR arrays, were a mystery, their purpose elusive. But the true significance of these arrays would not be fully understood until decades later. In the early 21st century, scientists led by Doudna and Emmanuelle Charpentier would unravel the enigma of CRISPR, revealing a system that could revolutionize the way we manipulate genetic material. The CRISPR-Cas9 system, as it came to be known, harnesses the power of RNA molecules to identify specific sequences of DNA. Once identified, the system can cleave the DNA strand, opening the door for editing. This groundbreaking technology offered the potential to cure genetic diseases, eradicate pathogens, and even alter the very fabric of life. However, the road to this revelation was fraught with challenges. The intricacies of CRISPR were complex, its potential applications vast. The scientific community debated its ethical implications, wrestling with questions of humanity's role in shaping the genome. Yet, amidst the controversy, the promise of CRISPR remained undeniable. It was a beacon of hope for countless individuals suffering from genetic disorders, a potential key to unlocking new frontiers in medicine and biology. As the 21st century unfolds, the story of CRISPR gene editing continues to unfold. Its impact on human life and the future of science is yet to be fully realized. But one thing is certain: the dawn of this genetic revolution has forever changed our understanding of life itself. In the annals of history, the advent of CRISPR gene editing stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a monument to the boundless potential of scientific discovery.